Hello friends, we want to get started with pixalab. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to design the graphics like this, this, this one and this. So click on the pixalab. Let's get started. It will take you or bring you to this user interface. This is the user interface. Now this is a selected text here. Now above here you see some features or some icons here. Below here equally you can see some icons and features here. This is also a background which you can use for your project. Look at here, see my project here is where all your projects that you've worked on are being saved. Click on this icon here. This icon is a table, and this table enables you to align your text and your images in a proper way. On top right corner here, click on the pencil sign. Click on this. This is a duplicate. Or below here, these icons here, click on the A. You can see it here, copy. This text has been selected and I want to delete it. On top right corner again, before or after the pencil icon, you see the dustbin here. Click on it and it will ask you delete the selected object. Okay. Or below here, you can see some icons here again. Select the text. You see the dustbin here. Delete and it will be deleted. I don't want this new text here. I don't want it. I want to change it. Now select it. After selecting it, come to the pencil again. Click on it. The pencil, click on the same pencil by the left side. Then write the text which you want. For me, I'll write happy. Then I'll click on the OK above here. Click on it. Then I'll place it where I want to have it. Now go back again. I want to copy this. Select it. Copy. Then click on the pencil icon again. Pencil. I want to change this to birthday. Above here, click on the OK and to come back. I want to have a rounded shape here. What do I do? Come below here, click on this circle here, then it will bring me to this icon here. Look at shape here, click on it, then it will bring this shape for me. I don't want this shape, I want a round shape. Look at this below menu here, click on it. These are list of shapes which you can choose from. I want a round one, so look at this, I choose it. Then I place it, I drag it and I place it at the position I want it. And after placing on the position I want it, I'll click on the check mark here. I still want to adjust the shape, the rounded shape. What do I do? Come beneath here, below here, look at position, click on it. Then I'll use the arrow key to adjust it upward and then forward. You can do yours the way you want it. I'll adjust it. Then I'll click on the check mark here. Also, I want to increase this birthday. Click on the A, then come to size. Then it is in 73. I want to increase it. Increase plus. Then I'll drag it and place it where I want it. Plus again. Alright. Then click on the check mark here by the left side. The next thing is to get the background color or background image. Click here, the same here, import. Click on import and it will take you to your gallery. Now you now choose the color. As for me, this is the color I want to use. Click on it, then it will bring you to this interface. Click on the check mark here. As you can see, the color has appeared. One thing here is that it is covering the shape and the text. I want to send it backward. Beneath here or below here, you will see to the front and to the back. Click onto the back and it will be sent backward. Click on this and then click this. I want to cover this entire working space. Drag it, then you drag this as well to cover the entire space, bringing your shape back. The next thing is to import our image. Click on the text, you see import. Click on it. It will bring me again to my gallery. I'll choose the image that I want. Then I'll resize it to the way I want it. You can resize yours. Then I'll click on the check mark here to appear in the working space. From here again, I'll still resize it, reduce it more. While doing this, you have to be careful. I'll now drag it and drop it where I want it. As you can see, at this point now, I want to add color to the shape. This shape, I have to select it. Then I have to add color to it. I'll enable it. Then I'll choose a color. We have variety range of colors here. I want to use gradient colors equally. Then I'll choose this color. Then now drag the image to the center. Next is to use my position to align it more. Alright, align it more so that there won't be any space. There won't be any space. Alright then I'll click on the check mark here. Next is to move this text upward again. The highlight is, then I'll move it upward again. Then move it upward again. Then I'll need a shape, another shape. Look at shape. At this point, I'll need the triangle, rectangle. This is the shape, but I'm going to resize it the way I want it. Then resize it. I'll now move it downward here, downward. I'll make sure it covers everywhere. When it covers the down part of what I'm looking for. Okay. Then click on the check mark here. I want to add color to this. I want to add color here. Move it below here. Move it. Look at color here. Click on it. Then enable it. Enable. Alright. This is color. These are numerous color you can choose from. You can choose from gradient. Anyone you feel as you want to choose, you choose it. I want to choose the same color above there. Then I'll use this color. Click on the check mark here. The next thing is to change the font of this. Click on A to get the font. Remove it. You see AB. Click on AB. You see list of fonts which you can use. Anyone you click on it, you check it and look how it look like. I want to use this font. Select it and then click on OK. As you can see, the font has changed. Now I want to add text here. Text here. What do? Come to the plus sign or click on the pencil sign, the plus, can see text. See the text. Then click on the pencil again to add text. Delete this. Say as you add +1 today, may the Lord add more blessings to you and riches. Add the full stop. Now click on the OK. Now drag it and place it here. Place it here. Alright, can you see it now? After you place it, you can equally add color to it if you wish. This is just an example we are doing. Can add color to it, and can equally increase the size. Click on check mark here. Can equally increase the size. Alright, after this you can equally click on the image. On the image again, can duplicate it. Click here, duplicate. I want to show you how you can use an opacity here. Move this backward. You see opacity here, click on it. You see it is at 100. Now move it backward. You can see, can place it at any angle you want. Can place it at any angle you want, and then click on the check mark. Obviously it. The next thing is to save our work. But before we save our work, I want to merge everything here because all of them are moving. Anyone you click it will be moving. Come here, click here. I want to merge everything. Click here, beneath here, and then click on this. Now these are what you have been working on. Click merge everything so that none of them will move again. After you have clicked, then click on this. Are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? Say yes. Okay. And then after, then you come back and click here again. Now this image can move it. Can you see? All of them have been selected, so it can't move again. Next thing is to remove your table. Remove it. Have you seen this work? This is just an example. You can save your work here. I want to save it. You can save as a project, or you save as an image. Let me save it as a project. You name the project name, give it a name. I want to use my name as good. I want to use this to save it. I click OK. If you want to save it to enter your gallery, now you save as an image. You choose JPG, whichever one, or PNG or JPG. Then you will now save to the gallery. Now if I move to my gallery here, as you can see it here, this is the work. So God bless you for watching.